Hello, this is Potato Dude, and we're going to be doing a game on Roblox. It is Tornado Alley. The Destruction Update. The Christmas Update. Tornado Alley 2. Cool. And if you want to do another video on something, I'm sorry for the disruption. That was horrible. I was saying, if you want me to do another game, just type in chat what you want me to do. Just get this off my screen, please. How am I supposed to see? How do they see? They probably can't. Right here. I can't see. No. Wait, what's work? No. I'm sorry for all of the videos I made. Probably 4 or 5. I know. I don't remember. There was no talking. I wonder what you get for winning points and then you buy stuff. Wonder. I can barely see. Wait, I got a jiffy. Why did the zombie chicken cost a lot? Because he wanted to eat the chicken's brain. Wait, no, I messed that up. Why did the zombie cost a road? He wanted to eat the chicken's brain. Ha ha ha. So entertaining, huh? And in this game, you have to try to survive. It is different stuff. And all over, there could be a tornado and winds that blow you down and try and kill you. So we switch you over to national news. Okay, I'm going to be on TV. I'm going to be Hello Robloxians. Joining us today, we have much to cover. As you heard earlier, Robloxia was hit by an EFO tornado. Many other places were hit as well. There are many tornadoes forming all over the country of Roblox. We suggest to stay indoors while we look over the radars. Clouds are from over the west side. Oh God. It was possible. T-storms, yes. Partly cloudy and wind the weather. T-storms is possible. Tornadoes is possible. I'm not going out of there. I can't. I'm not dying. Partly cloudy and windy. Oh no. The wind is coming. How do you get up there? Move, peoples. I want to get out. Aha! Ah, yay! I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Yes, yes, yes. No, she messed me up. Yay! Thank you, the cat. Thank you. Thank you for your help. No, that's unfair though. She's supposed